Meet Kiwi, the super smart parrot with a big appetite. Kiwi loves snacks, maybe a little too much. One day his owner heard a strange sound coming from the living room. "Alexa, order crackers." Wait, what? Nobody else was home. At first they thought it was a glitch, but then they checked the voice recordings. And guess what? It was Kiwi. This sneaky bird had been listening, learning, and now he was placing his own snack orders. Ding dong! The package arrived. Kiwi rushed to the door like he knew it was for him. Now, his owner has to keep Alexa on mute, or Kiwi might just order a whole feast. Smart or sneaky? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.